Hi! In front of me is Realme GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, tap on Connection and Sharing, scroll down and select Print. Last but not least, click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher next to it and tap on the back button. Then click on Add Print Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your service is ready, click on the back button twice. Then just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!